And now we are going to try our ice candy.
Don't miss out the funny scenes at the end of this video. Let's make a cold summer treat, Filipino ice candy. Here are the ingredients for making Filipino ice candy or popsicle. In a saucepan, put water and add corn flour. Mix well until corn flour is completely dissolved. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat for 5 to 10 minutes. When liquid becomes silky and smooth, remove from heat and let it cool for 15 to 30 minutes. Prepare the mashed avocado. Cut the avocado in half and remove the seed. Using a spoon, scoop the meat and place it in a small bowl. Then carefully mash the avocado meat using a fork. Set aside for later. In a large bowl, put the sugar and slowly pour the corn flour mixture. Mix well until sugar is completely dissolved. Add fresh milk, sweetened condensed milk, and water. Mix to combine. Slowly add the mashed avocado and mix well. Using a blender, gently pour and lightly puree the mixture at low speed. Pour the pureed mixture in a large bowl. Repeat the process until you finish the entire mixture. Stir to check for any lumps. To wrap using 2x10 or 1.5x10 wrapper, scoop about 1/2 cup of the mixture and fill the bag using a funnel. Release any air and firmly hold and press the remaining plastic wrapper. Gently twist until you feel the plastic is tight. Tie firmly by spinning it around as you feed the end through the hole, while you push the knot downwards and pull the end of the wrapper in the opposite direction. Repeat the process until the entire mixture is consumed. Freeze for 24 hours or until firm. Enjoy this Filipino frozen treat during this hot summer or all year round.
I wanted you guys to see behind the scenes
No!
of what my
Look at
wife.
my hair!
Look at her hair. This takes her a day to record her videos, and then it takes her about 4 days of editing. Yeah, when she first gave it to me, I was like, that's disgusting. But actually, it's super tasty.
Make yours now!